In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add hyperlink in Typeform. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn plain text into a clickable link inside your form, so respondents can visit a web page, a help article, a calendar, or any resource you want them to see. Start by opening Typeform and heading to your workspaces. This is where all your forms live. If you have multiple projects, make sure you're in the workspace that contains the form you want to edit. It's helpful to have your destination URL ready beforehand, so you can paste it quickly when the time comes. Next, open your form. The form editor will load, usually starting in the build view. Navigate to the block that contains the text you want to turn into a link. This might be a statement, a description under a question, or any text field that supports rich formatting. Make sure you're editing the correct text area so the formatting toolbar appears where you need it. Now select the exact word or phrase you want to hyperlink by double-clicking it. If you need more than one word, click and drag to highlight the full phrase. When the text is selected, a small formatting toolbar should appear right above or near your selection. If you don't see it, click once outside the text and reselect the words to trigger the toolbar. In that toolbar, click the chain or link icon. This is the insert link tool. Sometimes it's visible immediately. Other times you may need to expand more options depending on your screen size. Once you click the icon, a small field will prompt you to add your URL. Type or paste your full link into the field. Be sure to include the complete address starting with https to avoid broken links. Keep your link text meaningful and concise, like view the guide or book a time rather than a raw URL. After you've added the address, confirm to apply the link. You should see your selected text become underlined or styled as a hyperlink. If you made a typo, just select the linked text again and update or remove the URL using the same toolbar. A few quick tips to wrap up. Use clear descriptive link text so people know exactly where they're going. Avoid shortened links if your audience might be cautious about unfamiliar URLs, and preview your form to make sure the link works as expected on both desktop and mobile. That's it. You've successfully added a hyperlink in Typeform. Thanks for watching, and happy building.